So hello guys, it's quiz time again, and today's quiz content gonna be from lesson 26. So let's begin. The first question here, what is perfume in Chinese? So we have A. 直巾 B. 洗澡 C. 毛巾 and D. 香水. So which one of them is true? Jin is tissue, 洗澡 is to take a shower, 毛巾 is towel, and 香水 is perfume. So the correct answer for this question is D. 香水, 香水. The next question is, what is shower gel in Chinese? So we have A. 肥皂 B. 牙刷 C. 洗发水 D. 牙膏. So let's try to guess which one of them is correct. Feizao is shower gel. 牙刷 is toothbrush. 洗发水 is shampoo. And 牙膏 is toothpaste. So shower gel in Chinese is A. 肥皂. Moving on to the next question. What is toothpaste in Chinese? We have A. 洗澡 B. 肥皂 C. 牙膏 D. 毛巾. So I will give you some time to think. Xizao is to take a shower. 肥皂 is shower gel. 牙膏 is toothpaste. And 毛巾 is towel. So the correct answer for this question is obviously C. 牙膏. What is shampoo in Chinese? We have A. 香水 B. 洗发水 C. 纸巾 D. 牙刷. So which one of them is the right answer? So 香水 is perfume, 洗发水 is shampoo, 纸巾 is tissue, and 牙刷 is toothbrush. So the right answer for this question is B. 洗发水. The next question here, what is towel in Chinese? So we have A. 牙刷 B. 毛巾 C. 洗澡 D. 纸巾. So let's try to guess. So 牙刷 is toothbrush, 毛巾 is towel, 洗澡 is to take a shower, and 纸巾 is tissue. So towel in Chinese is B. 毛巾. The next question here. What is toothbrush in Chinese? We have A. 肥皂 B. 洗发水 C. 牙刷 and D. 香水. So which one of them is correct here? I will explain to you. 肥皂 is shower gel, 洗发水 is shampoo, and 牙刷 is toothbrush. 香水 is perfume. So toothbrush in Chinese is C. 牙刷,牙刷. Moving on to the next question. What is tissue in Chinese? We have A. 纸巾 B. 毛巾 C. 洗澡 D. 牙膏. So which one of them is the right answer here? So 纸巾 is tissue, 毛巾 is towel, 洗澡 is to take a shower, and 牙膏 is toothpaste. So tissue in Chinese is A. 纸巾,纸巾. The next question, what is to shower in Chinese? So this is a verb. We have A. 洗发水 B. 香水 C. 肥皂 D. 洗澡. So I will give you some time to think. I will explain it to you now. 洗发水 is shampoo, 香水 is perfume, 肥皂 is shower gel, and 洗澡 is to take a shower. So the right answer for this question is obviously the 洗澡, 洗澡. So thanks a lot guys for watching my video. That's all for today's quiz, and I will see you guys on our next lesson.